In our last video, we talked about arithmetic sequences. But for today, let's talk about geometric sequences. How can we identify if a sequence is geometric? First, you have to pick any term except for the first term. Like for example, I pick 6, the second term. I'll divide it to the first term. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay? 12 divided by 6 is 2. 24 divided by 12, again, it's 2. 48 divided by 24, still 2. If the quotient is always the same, therefore, it is a geometric sequence. So what is a geometric sequence? A geometric sequence is a list of numbers where each term is found by multiplying the previous term by the same number. This number is called the common ratio. Okay, in this sequence, 2 is our common ratio. Okay? Okay, let's have another example. We have here the sequence 3, 9, 27, and 81, and so on. But find the sixth term. So first, we have to identify if this sequence is a geometric by dividing the second term to the first term, the third term to the second term, and the fourth term to the third term. Okay, let's do it. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 27 divided by 9 is 3. 81 divided by 27, also 3. So we have the common ratio of 3. To find the sixth term, we will have to use this formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 multiplied by the common ratio raised to n minus 1. Where a sub n is the term you're looking for, a sub 1 is the first term, r is the common ratio, and n is the term number. So now let's apply the formula. Since we're looking for the sixth term, we write a sub 6 is equal to, our a sub 1 is the first term. A sub 1 is 3, okay, the first term, multiplied by our common ratio, 3, raised to, 6 is the term number, minus 1. Okay, let's rewrite. 3 times 3 raised to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Okay? 3 times 3 multiplied by itself 5 times is equal to 243. Okay, let's multiply 3 times 243. Our final answer is 729. So our sixth term is 729. Okay, for our second example, we have here the sequence 80, 40, 20, 10, and so on. Find the 10th term. Okay? First, let's check if it is a geometric sequence. Divide the second term to the first term, the third to the second, and the fourth to the third. Okay? 40, the second term, divided by 80, the first term, we have 1/2. Okay, let's try another one. 20 over 40, also we have 1/2. How about the fourth divided by the third term? 10 divided by 20. Okay, so we have now our common ratio, which is 1/2. So now we're looking for the 10th term. Let's apply the formula. A sub 10 is equal to our first term, which is 80, multiplied by our common ratio, which is 1/2, raised to the term number minus 1. Let's rewrite. 80 multiplied by 1/2 raised to 9. Okay, to simplify this one, we have to distribute the 9 to the numerator and the denominator. 1 multiplied by itself 9 times is still 1. And 2 raised to 9, 2 multiplied by itself 9 times is equal to 512. So we now have 1/512. To simplify, just multiply 80 to our numerator 1. So we now have 80/512. We can still simplify this by dividing both numerator and the denominator by their GCF, which is 16. So 80 divided by 16 is equal to 5 over 512 divided by 16 is equal to 32. So we now have our final answer. The 10th term is equal to 5 over 32. That's it. Follow for more.